Alright, so here I am with another build and final with a review. So this is the AMT 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 XL. This is the newer release of the kit. It's the advanced customizing kit, 3-in-1 stock, custom, advanced custom. Got a lot of extra parts in this kit. Um, but I did it the regular stock version. This kit and idea actually came up, not the kit came about, but the idea for me to do this kit came about on my way to and from work every day. There's an auto mechanic shop that has a four-door version of this car sitting out in its lot for sale, and honestly, I really like it. I think it's really cool looking. So took the AMT kit, found a very similar color to it. It was the blue with the white top on it. I'll put a picture over it here. Hard to get a good picture because I'm driving and you know really shouldn't be using your phone while driving. In fact, it's legal in most states, if not all states in the U.S. But anyways, so the picture's over that, and then so I bought the kit and found good colors. It's Tamiya Pure White and Tamiya TS41 Coral Blue. So that's what I got there. So let me show you the model that I built. I gotta tell you, this is a really good, before I show it to you, this is a really good model. I really enjoyed it. It's an older AMT kit. I'll show it to you, the one with the metal axles and stuff, but this is a really good kit. It comes out really well. So, let me lower the camera and show you what I got. Let me move the box out of there so I can move this around here. Alright everybody, so that's the car itself, the model itself. Let me tell you a little bit what I did with it. So I painted it white, the pure white, then went over it with the Coral Blue, and it got the real nice colors. The tires and wheels did not come with the kit. The car that I see has Craigers on it. These wheels do not come with the kit. I don't know what kit they came off of. These tires do not come with this kit. A set of white walls come with the kit, but the wheels that were for this kit went to the thinner wheels. This wheel is thicker. I had to find a thicker wheel. So I also added the side skirts over the back tire, which the four-door version has. Personally, I like it without it, but I was recreating a car. Unfortunately, I used the good tires and the good Craigers on the back, and you don't actually see them. The interior is also the Coral Blue, but I did it over primer instead of white because you know how the colors are. Usually, if it's the same color, it's usually a different shade for the interior and the exterior. I just hand painted the white on the seats for the inserts. The insert white there. I was going to do a double coat on it, but I really like the effect that it gave, just doing the one coat, so I left it. It's a model. Build it for you, right? Interior, dashboard. Just did some silver highlighting on it with the steering wheel. And the doors, I also did silver highlights on. Let me turn it around here so you can see the other one. Other doors too. Just some silver highlights on there. So, yeah. Looks good. It came out really, really well. I really like this. The silver chrome work trim is the tester's paint pen. Just very carefully matte stuff. Looks really good. Decals came with the car. Let me show you the hood here first. The hood, I documented on the previous videos. I had some problems with. I did the weird fisheye with the paint. I bought another kit, which is okay because with all the customizing parts, I could do a customized kit or a customized version of this car. This hood had no problems, so nobody has to know I bought a second kit. So the engine is a nice looking engine. It's got the Thunderbird written on the valve covers there. Just painted it blue. Nothing really special. Tried to make it look factory stock there. Kept all the chrome work. Firewall, did the silver. And then did the thin red wiring on there. So that looks really cool. Batteries. The interstate battery that I like to do because, I'm weirdo. Yellow fan. Colors make it interesting. Nice interior there. You can see that again. I always put the AMT decal on the front of the AMT as like a window sticker. Just something I do. The NPC ones I put in the back. The front grille and the rear grille, the real cars are actually a lot more chrome, and it's like the little itty bitty sunken in parts are the parts that are black. I epically failed on that, so they're both blacked out. Got what they got. Now underneath it, this is one of these AMT kits. I guess they're promo kits back in the days. It's got the metal axle that goes through the engine. You know, very unrealistic, and the metal axle that goes through there. The drivetrain and the exhaust are all molded in. Just take some silver, pick it out. No big deal. The wheels on the back here, since these are different tires, I had to shave down the pegs because, well, like I said, the tire's fatter. It didn't quite fit in with the wheel skirts there. So the wheelbase is actually smaller in the back, and actually, if I pan out, you can almost see that it's smaller. There's quite a bit of difference there between that. But that was to make it fit. I did a couple coats of clear on it. Looks really good. I have nothing bad to say about this kit. I'm actually looking very forward to looking to do it again as a custom. Yeah, highly recommend this guy. It's one of my better builds. It looks really sharp. I'm glad I have it. So like I said, the car I see on the for sale every day, I got it. I now have it. It'd be a lot cool if it was a real one, but you know what? This is why we build models, so we can have the cars that we don't have, or can't afford to have, or wish we had, and then we can have a lot more of them. So, everybody, 1963 AMT Ford Galaxie 500. Highly recommend this kit. Go out and get yourself a few. Yeah, that's all I can say. I highly recommend it. Go get it. There'll be some pictures at the end here. Appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Don't forget to like and comment. I'll get back to you if you comment. Alright, everybody. Peace.